Right, so this is iPhone 15 Pro Max, the latest one. I'm just going to show you how waterproof it is. I'm going to take off the cover. It's got no screen guard or anything here. I've just taken off the cover, as you can see. This is a heated pool. It's in winter in the UK. This is the phone. No cover, no anything. You see the phone right on top, right in the water there, it's on. As you can see, the phone is on, right? Let's give it some time. In case you didn't know, you can put your phone, your iPhone 15 Pro Max or anything, like iPhone 15, for more than 30 minutes. Up to 30 minutes, you should be fine to do that. But if it's another model of iPhone, which is not later than 14, I'm not sure how much time it can take. But this video is for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Please don't attempt this when your phone has been repaired before, because it might not be as sealed as it should be, as it is recommended by Apple that your phone should not have been done any repairs on it. Otherwise, if you want your phone to be done any repairs and still be able to be waterproof, you have to do it at any Apple authorized dealer. So here it's me. I'm just gonna go ahead and fetch the phone from the water. Now the phone is just locked from my assumption because the screen is just gone out. Let's just hope the screen is not dead. That's iPhone 15. This is not a prank, guys. This is not a prank. This is real from what you can see. I want to put a stopwatch on it. We're going to set a timer. I'm going to put it right back. This is my timer. There's the stopwatch. It's counting, right? From what you can see, it's counting, right? iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm just gonna leave the phone for a while there and we'll pick it up later on. So it's very lovely in this water. It's actually very warm. It's about 20 degrees or something like that. Although outside it's about 7 degrees. So you can actually enjoy yourself in the pools that are heated. These are heated pools in England, right? I know most countries you do have this. If you are hearing from other countries, you can still enjoy yourself even during the winters. But don't forget, we've got our iPhone 15 Pro Max in the water there. Wow, we've got literally 1 more minute to go. I'm just gonna give it a bit, like I said I'm gonna give it 5 minutes, right? Right, so that is iPhone 15 Pro Max in the water there. If you can see, it's still going on. I hope you can see it clearly there. the counter still going on and on and on. From what I can see from here, I can actually tell that it's now 4 minutes and 54, 56, 59. We're now on 5 minutes. So guys, I've just done 5 minutes plus whilst this phone is in the water. This is the reason why I love Apple gadgets. They're so waterproof. As you can see, you can swim with your phone. That's iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can do this with other models, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max has been designed to be in water for more than 30 minutes. It can go for up to 30 minutes without any problems.
Wow!
From what you can see, this phone, literally, it doesn't have any cover. I've taken the cover off. I've just thrown the cover over there. It's got no cover on.
Wow!
It's got no screen guard. Nothing on it. This is the port, power port. There is no screen guard, there's no plastic on it. It's purely naked, as you can see. But you can still withstand the water. It's completely waterproof. Apple is on another level, guys. It's very innovative, and there's lots of other interesting features that you love about this phone.